Sharp BP Color Series multifunction printers provide professional quality innovations in a compact, user-friendly device that's a perfect fit for any working environment.
Whether it's a workplace or a small office, it's great to have the capabilities that these A4 products bring to the table, because not only will it increase your productivity, but at the same time give you the security that you expect from Sharp products.
Use the customizable tablet-style touchscreen to easily navigate advanced features while executing tasks quickly. Designed for efficiency, these MFPs can handle large projects with impressive speeds. Intelligent image processing and AI technology can scan and convert documents to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and even Excel. Go beyond the MFP with Cloud Connect, accessing popular cloud services to enhance productivity and seamlessly collaborate with colleagues working remotely. Sharp offers leading security technology to help protect your information and document assets. Optional Bitdefender antivirus provides comprehensive protection from inbound and outbound threats.
These new A4 products are some of the best devices I've ever seen. The capabilities are beyond what a typical A4 device can do. It's the most robust feature set that I've seen in a product of this type ever.